how to turn off all your Facebook Messenger notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off all your Facebook Messenger notifications on your phone. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger and now click on your profile. Scroll down and you have preference, the third option, which is notifications and sounds. Click on it and you have the first option, turn off, this one, and click on. You can choose like turn off for 1 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, whatever. For example, first one, and click on OK, and this is it. And you can turn back and click on it and turn on the notifications again. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.